This is Extra Credit Lab 9. I am Tori Ayton.
And I'm Donald Blair.
And we're going to discuss how and why welds fail. Okay, so the first one is incomplete penetration. This happens when your filler metal and base metal aren't joined properly, and the result is a gap or crack of some sort. Okay, you got the next one.
So the next weld failure is an incomplete fusion. This typically occurs whenever individual weld beads don't fuse together, or whenever the weld beads don't fuse properly to the base metal that you're welding.
Okay, and next example would be undercutting. Undercutting is extremely common welding defect. It happens when your base metal is burned away at one of the toes of a weld. When you weld more than one pass on a joint, undercutting can occur between the passes because the molten weld is already hot and takes less heat to fill.
Another potential weld issue is slag inclusions. A little bit of slag goes a long way, so they say, towards ruining an otherwise quality weld. Slag is the waste material created whenever you're welding, and whenever bits of this solid material become incorporated into your weld, such as bits of flux, rust, or even tungsten, can cause contamination in your welds.
Flux inclusions is another example. If you're soldering or brazing, flux inclusions can be a real problem. If you use too much flux in an effort to float out impurities from your weld, you may very well end up with flux inclusions. So if you're welding on a multi-layer braze weld, flux inclusion can occur when you fail to remove the slag or glass on the surface of the braze before you apply the next layer.
And that's our video.
Thank you.